one thing, friends, and also about the workshops. This lightening of the soul, enlightenment, like next level will happen in the workshop, friends. So definitely attend this. Gandapur workshop is happening in the December 3rd week, 16, 17, 18, and that Chandrapur workshop Hindi session is happening in the December 9th and 11th. That 72 hours workshop in the weekends. So December 2nd weekend, Hindi only session, but everybody attend that. Whatever the language, if you don't know the language, also attend them. It's not about the language. It is about the concept where lightening up your soul, like next level, taking you to the next level. Next level of the energies, expansion of energies will happen. And in December 3rd week, Telugu and Kannada language in Gandapur, the workshop will happen. So everybody come and attend the workshops and utilize to the fullest extent all your growth in your life. Everything will improve to the next level. All round development will happen. Health wise, or energy wise, financial wise, or relationship wise, anything in your life, whole life path and purpose, everything, all round development will happen if you're attending the workshops. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.